Welcome to Trendy Wear. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket are you looking for?
Something warm, and I like the color blue.
Okay, here's a blue jacket. What do you think?
It looks nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Lily tries it on and looks in the mirror.
Mia, walking in. Wow, Lily, that jacket looks great on you.
Thanks, Mia. I like it, but is it available in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, here's a small one.
Perfect. I'll take it. How much is it?
It's $45.
Okay, I'd like to buy it.
Great! Please come to the counter. They walk to the counter. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
Quiz time.
1. What color jacket did Lily want?
She wanted a blue jacket.
2. What size did she choose?
She chose a small size.
3. Can you say, I'd like a small red t-shirt?
Yes. Say it slowly and clearly. I'd like a small red t-shirt.
Great job!
Let's review. I'm looking for... Can I try it on? Do you have it in color, size? How much is it? See you next time at the Supermarket Smart ESL students.